MP Sanjay Singh has been granted bail in the liquor policy case. He's got the bail after spending 6 months in jail. This is some big breaking news that is coming in. Big development now that has taken place in connection with the liquor policy case. Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh, who was arrested 6 months back, has been granted bail by the Supreme Court. Very big development coming in. Remember, two Aam Aadmi Party leaders already are in jail in connection with this case. Now, Sanjay Singh has been granted bail by the Supreme Court. He had moved a plea in the court, after which the Supreme Court had asked some tough questions to the ED, asking it as to why does it further need the custody of Sanjay Singh if it has not been able to prove the money trail in the case. And this is some big development now that is coming in. Sanjay Singh has been granted bail by the Supreme Court. All right, my colleague Sunil Prabhu is going to be joining us in just a bit, but that is the latest that is coming in. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia are already in jail in connection with the case. Arvind Kejriwal is the latest one who's been arrested, the Aam Aadmi Party leader who's been sent to Tihar jail in connection with the case. And now, this is some big relief that has come in for Aam Aadmi Party Sanjay Singh, who's been given bail by the Supreme Court in connection with the liquor policy case. He's spent about 6 months in jail. He was sent to jail in October 2023, that was last year, and after a period of 6 months now, he's been granted bail by the top court. A two-judge Supreme Court bench who was hearing the matter has granted bail to Sanjay Singh. Well, the ED so far has been maintaining it has material evidence and it has credible proof to establish the money trail, a nexus between the South Group and the Aam Aadmi Party leaders here in Delhi. But the Supreme Court has said that so far you have not been able to prove that money trail, and on what basis would you be asking for an extension of the custody? However, that remains to be seen. We'll try and get more details as to what arguments were put forth by the ED in the Supreme Court today. But the Supreme Court, meanwhile, has given big relief to Sanjay Singh. Sanjay Singh, we are learning now, is to be released during the pendency of trial. That is some latest development that is coming in, and after this Sanjay Singh will also be able to resume the political activities. As of now, Supreme Court has said Singh is entitled to continue his political activities. Well, Lok Sabha elections are approaching, and we do understand that two big leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, that is Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, are languishing in jail in connection with the liquor policy case, after which this definitely has come as a relief for the Aam Aadmi Party and the MP as well, Sanjay Singh, who's been granted bail by the Supreme Court. Well, the Aam Aadmi Party so far has been maintaining that it's a witch hunt, it's a political conspiracy by the BJP, and on the directions of the centre, that's the BJP-led government at the centre, that the ED has been acting against the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, but they really don't have any proof in order to establish a money trail between the South Group and the Aam Aadmi Party here in Delhi. Well, remember, the Aam Aadmi Party also in court had said, Arvind Kejriwal himself had made a statement in the court saying that it's all imaginary figure that they have made up, that is the 100 crore rupees that the ED has been claiming of that the Aam Aadmi Party leaders had received from the South Group. But after that, now big development coming in. All right, my colleague Sunil Prabhu is also now joining us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Sunil, this is some big development that we're learning of. Finally, Sanjay Singh has been given relief by the court. He's been granted bail.
As I was just telling you a short while back, the ED counsel, Mr. Raju, has been given instructions and has decided to allow Mr. Sanjay Singh to be granted bail because and the Supreme Court hasn't gone into the merits of that case at this present juncture, so they don't want it to have any bearing, even though Justice Dipankar had made it quite clear that we will, give our judgment and then it will have a bearing on the entire case. So the writing was on the wall. The ND understood you haven't been able to recover money. You have kept him in jail for 6 months. What else do you do? So it's in this context, without going into the merits, they have agreed to release him. They haven't put any stoppage on his political activities. He can continue now as a politician and continue to speak. There are no restrictions, even though the ED Council tried to put that. So this is definitely a setback for the ED. They said that this is being made, but please don't use this as a precedent. Basically, we are not getting into the merits because there is, of course, the Kejriwal case. There is the Manish Sisodia case. So it's in that context that the decision has been taken. So definitely a huge and a big relief for the Aadmi Party leader, Sanjay Singh. The